Hi, today I'm going to share with you a healthy energy breakfast. My ingredients today are blueberries, a banana, an apple, 2 tangerines, strawberries, coconut yogurt, grated coconut, peanuts, oatmeal, and Stars cereal. Before starting, we must wash the fruits and soak the oatmeal for a couple of minutes to make it softer. We will use it later on. So, in a glass container, we add a peeled banana and mash it. Then, we cut the tangerines in half and squeeze them to get the juice. Secret fruits contrast the sweetness. After that, we grate a peeled apple and add it to our mix. The next step is to mince the strawberries and add them. Then we add the blueberries. Now it's time to add the Stars cereal and spill the yogurt. After that, we add a tablespoon of grated coconut. At this point, we wash the oatmeal and strain it. After having added the oatmeal, we cut up the peanuts and add them. And after that, we add some dried cranberries. We toss our mix until we have an homogeneous mixture. Then we serve.
Now let's try. It's pretty good. This is a very good breakfast.
Especially if it goes with a cup of hot chocolate with almond milk and some cookies. That's all for today. Remember to eat seasonal fruits and have a balanced diet. Subscribe to support this channel and have a nice day or night.